Vanessa Gandler is a Filipino volleyball player. She plays for the Cignal HD Spikers of the Premier Volleyball League. Vanie Gandler is a stunning Instagram celebrity and a member of the Ateneo women's volleyball team. In 2023, Gandler made herself available to get signed by a PVL Cup. By this time, the PVL has already professionalized. She was signed by the Cignal HD Spikers. Her jersey number is 5. Her Instagram handle is Vanie Gandler. She is a tall girl who manages her beauty with intense workouts. Her 200k followers love her for her seductive pictures and daring outfits. Her Instagram feed tells us as she is a beach lover because most of her pictures are of her sunbathing on the sand. Gandler plays for the Blue Eagles of the Ateneo de Manila University in the University Athletic Association of the Philippines UAAP. She ended her stint with Ateneo last playing for them in season 85 after deciding to sign with the Cignal HD Spikers in 2023. She is absolutely blessed in that she also knows how to pose so that she can maximize the best possible visual angles for the picture. Hanging out with friends and exploring new places are some of her favorite hobbies. Besides, she likes to play volleyball.